Video is about air conditioner capacitors, specifically what a blown capacitor looks like compared to a new one. So the capacitor on the left came out of an air conditioner of mine, and the capacitor on the right I just got new, and you can see how the one on the left looks dirtier and more worn out than the one on the right. But in addition to that, the one on the left is distended. It's bulging on the top and bottom, and that's a classic sign of a bad capacitor. So, first of all, here's the new one, and it's kind of hard to make out in the video, but the bottom is like perfectly flat. You know, perfectly flat. The top also. Top surface, just pretend like those three plugs aren't there. Just imagine it with your mind's eye. It's also perfectly flat. And when I lie this down on this flat glass table, it doesn't rock at all, right? Now, the one on the left, the bottom is actually distended. It's like convex. Again, it's hard to see on the video, but if I lie it down on this flat surface, yeah, rocks back and forth really easily. And also, if we look at the top here again, imagine the plugs aren't there. Hard to see in the video, but it's also kind of blown up. You can see how the plugs are kind of bowed outwards at an angle from one another as a result of the top surface being concaved out. Whereas over here, they're not, the plugs aren't at angles to each other at all. They're all like perfectly aligned with one another, parallel and perpendicular, because the top surface is totally flat. So, yeah, this is what a bad capacitor looks like in real life. When they're distended because they've gone bad, it isn't too cartoonish. You do have to look a little bit closely to see that they're not flat anymore on the top and bottom, but it's there. You can detect it visually and by putting it against a flat surface.